Hello everyone! Today we're gonna make a new thing with fun with shapes. Do you know what? That's Susan's favorite. Egg! Let's get started.
What? This is an egg? It doesn't look like one. Don't worry, we have the pieces to help you. What? Only one orange circle? No, look closely. We have more circles over here. 1, 2, 3 white circles. Okay, now let's get started and you will see your egg. First, we take a big white circle. And then the second big white circle. The third smaller white circle. Look, we finished the egg white part. Now, the orange small circle, we're gonna put it here. Look, yummy fried egg.
So yummy! This is our egg. I love it so much. Look, this is the yolk and this is the egg white. Which part do you like best? Susan likes the yolk and I like the egg white. I like the whole egg. What about you? Bye!